Red Feather from Grepax. In this Krita video, we will be showing you how to use the Krita layers effects. The texture text you see in this video was created utilizing the Krita layers effects. Open Krita, create the text you would like to use. Once this is done, in Krita, make any adjustments needed, like size and or centering. Once this is done in Krita, go to Layers, right-click on the layer to be used, and scroll down to Layer Effects, and click. Once the Krita layer window appears, notice the functionality portion to the right appears to be grayed out. If you place a check mark in one of the boxes, a default function will occur. As you will notice on my canvas, as I place a check mark in the box of the Krita drop shadow effect. But now notice, as I click on the Krita description, drop shadow, this activates the edit function section to the right of the effects window, so as to add or adjust many wonderful settings. And keep in mind, you still need the check mark in place to utilize the effect. Each Krita effect has its own types of settings and adjustments that can be put into play. Notice as I put a check mark in the effect, bevel, and emboss, the contour and texture features become available. I hope you have enjoyed this Krita tutorial and found it helpful in some fashion, and if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber and ring that bell in order to be notified your way of newly released videos. I mean, after all, ladies and gentlemen, it is free. The beginning and the end of this video has been provided by none other than Alex of AU1. Thank you in advance. I am out.